Mr. President, what's your message to your supporters, Mr. President?
Donald Trump didn't answer questions in public, nor did he behind closed doors. Shortly after arriving at the office of New York State Attorney General Letitia James, Trump took the fifth, invoking his constitutional right not to incriminate himself. For 4 hours, he replied, quote, same answer to each of her inquiries. It's a far cry from the Donald Trump of 2016.
You see, the mob takes the fifth. If you're innocent, why are you taking the Fifth Amendment?
In a statement, Trump defended his flip-flop, saying, when your family, your company, and all the people in your orbit have become the targets of an unfounded, politically motivated witch hunt, you have no choice. The former president's looming legal troubles, including the FBI search of his Florida home, set off an explosion of violent rhetoric online. Researchers say it's similar to what they tracked in the lead-up to the Capitol attack.
We know what happened on January 6th. We saw that what online rhetoric, what the promotion of violence can actually do, and it leads to real-world harms. And it's only getting worse.
What kind of specific language are you seeing when it comes to these threats?
We're seeing terms like locked and loaded. We're seeing terms like this is a civil war. We're seeing threats about the judge who authorized the court search of Trump's property.
The head of the FBI is calling for calm.
Violence against law enforcement is not the answer, no matter what anybody's upset about or who they're upset with.
At a public event, Christopher Wray refused to comment on the Mar-a-Lago search warrant. Trump's allies are seizing upon the official silence, sowing public doubt in yet another U.S. institution.
People distrust so much the government that we've gotten to the point where, for example, do I know that the boxes of material they took from Mar-a-Lago, that they won't put things in those boxes to entrap him? How do we know?
So, Katie, from the sounds of it, all this legal trouble is absolutely no trouble for Trump's popularity.
Adrienne, Trump, in a way, is uniting his party. Republicans are all making the same demand, even some who've criticized him in the past. Mitch McConnell and John Bolton, for example. They all want the FBI to explain why Trump's home was searched. He reportedly is delighted to see so much public support, and Trump is also pleased the candidates he's endorsing continue to win primary elections. Last night, another 5 of his picks became Republican nominees. Trump is trying to capitalize on this moment and concentrate his power. Adrienne.
All right, that is one to watch. Katie Simpson in Washington. Thanks, Katie.